Now Cotton trying to get potentially even a bigger one here now in the 10th inning.
Well, it's a group effort and good teams pick each other up. It'd be a huge moment for Cotton. It'd be a huge moment for this bullpen if he can come get the job done.
Fly ball deep left field. Gordon looks up, gone.
You can't hide from failure in baseball. When you're at your lowest, wishing you could be shielded from the pain of the moment, you have to stand and watch as your enemy celebrates. It's a special kind of agony. But as the year changes, the plants die and come back to life again. Baseball offers another opportunity, a chance once again to wipe the record clean and do what your previous self could not. Do you have what it takes? It takes bold moves. The moment doesn't always reveal the vision, but tenacity combined with wisdom uncovers brilliance in time. It takes attention to detail. Even the best teams need every single player on their roster to do their part.
To center and down for a hit and by Straw all the way to...
And it takes a little bit of luck. Every winning team needed fortune to gaze down upon them.
And for the first time since 2001, Minnesota Twins have won the season.
Offering a unique chance once thought impossible. Still, these things alone won't carry you to victory. The season is mighty and brutal. New heroes emerge and old ones fade. Sometimes those you least expect to contribute find a way to make their mark, becoming a local legend in just 162 games. Veterans need to step up as well.
Kepler in the corner with a sliding catch in foul territory.
Without them, there is no soul. But the soul is nothing without heart. This new group sheds the sins of the past, ignoring the weight of what happened in favor of a glorious future. It also never hurts to have a little magic. So now that you've put it together and redeemed yourself, the only thing left is the postseason and the immortality it offers. Can you meet this challenge and finish what you fought so hard to accomplish?